Hey, this is Crystal, and we're annotating a graph in Microsoft Excel. One of the great features in Excel is that you can actually chart or graph any of your data. You can add titles, you can add notes, you can even add labels within that chart. Here I am in Excel, and I don't want to chart all of these months. I just want to chart the first quarter. So I'm going to select what I'd like to chart. I'm going to go to the Insert tab, and here's the charts group where I can choose any chart that I want. Pie chart, bar chart. I'm actually going to choose column. And within the column chart, there's different subsets. Here's 3D column. Nice. There's my column chart. As soon as I have my chart selected, I get a contextual tab for chart tools where I can change the design, the layout, or the format. If I want to add any of those notes, if I just go to the Layout tab, here's my chart title. If I click here, I say, I want my chart title above the chart. As soon as I start typing, for all of these pieces of the bar chart. So if I click on Data Labels and I say Show, it'll show me the numbers for each one. I can continue with my legend and changing my legend and any other item that I'd like in Excel. Not too bad. Excel is all about selection. This is Crystal. See you soon.